Hi friends, so this short video is just meant to be a overview of what you're expected to do in case you're unclear about any of the instructions or if you just like to hear somebody explain it. So what we're doing is we're going to be connecting tape diagrams with equations and seeing about how do we actually solve equations for an unknown value. Those of you that did this work last week, I'm really impressed with what I saw, so I'm expecting really good things this week as well. So here's what you type in what you notice and wonder, right? What are your observations? Make sure you take the time to read what other people say to help you make sense of the tape diagram. And then here, notice it's asking you to select all that apply. So you want to click all of the ones that you think are ways of representing this tape diagram. And then here, you're comparing three people's ways of seeing this tape diagram. And again, you're thinking about whose way of thinking best represents this tape diagram and why. So what you may not realize, I'm not sure if you've learned this before, but when you're multiplying an expression in parentheses, what this means is that you have 5 groups of x plus 6. In other words, you have x plus 6 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 6. So what you could do is say like, hey, I know that that's going to come up with 5 x's and 5 groups of 6 is 30. So that property is known as the distributive property. You multiply the 5 by everything that's in parentheses. So here, one of the things that I'll check to make sure that you understand is that you can connect expressions with with them in parentheses, right? If you distribute this 7 to both of these right here, do you get this expression? If so, you click them together, and if not, then you don't. And then here's where I'll start checking your work, right? So you want to actually type in an equation. There's more than one way to do it that represents the tape diagram. And then you're going to watch this video on how to solve it because it shows you the algebraic way of solving this. And then you're going to show me a couple, right? So I've got several different tape diagrams. You're going to solve it. And then notice I end up taking away the tape diagram. You can make it yourself, or you can use the algebraic strategy that you saw in this video over here. What's needed is I need to see some of your work and thinking here on this right here so that I can see your process and the way that you figured it out. And then you do that again here. And this time I'm adding in a negative number because I want to see your negative number skills. Okay, so make sure you come back here a day after you complete it because I'll add comments so that you can check over your work. And then I do make this assignment tracker for you to monitor what you've completed and what you still need to do. All right, hope that helps you understand what you need to do. Have a great week and take care.